The Outdoor Alarm Siren TC-S7545-1 from Nippon America is a powerhouse with a maximum output of 80 watts, ensuring a loud and clear sound for effective security applications. With an impressive output level of 120 decibels, this siren is designed to cover long distances, making it ideal for safeguarding large areas against potential threats. The ability to remotely activate or deactivate the siren using a Wi-Fi adapter or smart plug offers added convenience and control from your mobile device. Installation is made easy with a quick mounting base and adjustable height options, allowing for flexible placement to suit various security needs. Constructed with weather-resistant housing, this siren is built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions, providing reliable performance in rain, moisture, and dust. The inclusion of a 6-foot cable further enhances its versatility, allowing for greater freedom in positioning to ensure optimal sound coverage.